MacVoices is sponsored by Smile, the makers of world-class software like PDF Pen. Find out about all their great utilities at smilesoftware.com. MacVoices is in Las Vegas for CES and ShowStoppers. I'm Chuck Joyner. Folks, we stopped by the SELFLY booth to talk to Hagay about their flying drone camera thing. Hagay,
right. Actually,
how was that?
Yes, it was great. This is Selfie. It's a flying phone case camera. Actually, it's the only flying phone case camera. Actually, it's the only flying device or camera flying device that can fit in your pocket or on your phone as a phone case. Okay, this is an iPhone. This is our drone. If you want to take a selfie, you just take it off your phone, open the motors, and put it in the air. Now, it's like an autonomous tripod. It stays there. It hovers there autonomously. It can follow you. It can recognize your face. You can control it by gestures. So it's very easy and intuitive to use. So we minimized all the technology that is out there today, the drone technology, stabilization, computer vision, and we took all that technology and we minimized it into a 9mm thin design. So it can be part of your everyday life in your pocket, and it is always with you. Whenever you want to take a cool special shot, you just take it out your pocket and throw it into the air.
Now, how are the two devices connecting? Because you're connecting to my phone, obviously.
Once it's out of the phone case, or we have also I'll show you it.
Just a carrying case.
Just a regular case, if you don't want it connected on your phone, so I just put it like this. So, you need to download the app.
All right.
And you see, now let's show it to camera. And it sends first pilot view to the app, okay? We can try it here if you want. Okay, go. Okay, you getting this? Okay, so now, as I said, I'm not flying it, okay? I'm not flying it. It's stable in the air. Now it's looking for a face, okay? Now I'll take it a little bit over here. And I'll take it a little bit up. Okay, and I'm gonna press this button. This button is face follow me. So now, it's on my face, okay? Now, I'm going to move a little bit over here, sorry. You see? And it follows me, okay? I'm going to move a little bit over here, and I'm going to go back. It's going to come toward me. Woohoo! Okay, it's looking for me. There it is. And that's it. You don't need to control it. It's just going to stay there. You fold it, and you put it back in your pocket.
That's it.
You don't need to schlep a bag with you. You don't need to rearrange your day around it. I have 20 big drones, great drones, all those great drones. But every time I really want to take a spontaneous picture, I don't have the drone with me. So now you have 3 cameras on your phone. You have the front camera, you have the back camera, and you have a detachable tripod, autonomous flying camera. That's all it is.
I like it. So a couple questions. What kind of flight time do we have for it?
So in the box, we have 2 batteries. Each battery is 4.5 minutes. But it's not the kind of drone you take out to the park to fly half an hour around. It has a mission. It has to take some selfies, some footage. Now, if you are a heavy user, if we'll go back to the booth over there, there's a power bank with 5,000 milliamp battery inside. It's not a power, it's like a docking station. It's over there. That you just dock the drone in. So if you're a heavy user, you could just dock it in there all day and not in this. It's also very, very thin, and it charges it 10 times. So when it's not flying, it's charging. You can charge it, you can fly whatever you want. It's the same.
So what kind of resolution am I getting out of the camera?
We get 5 megapixel still images, and video is 720 for 30 frames per second. It looks very good and clear to upload, on the phone, on the mobile screens. Upload it instantly to Facebook, Twitter. That's all you need.
Very nice.
Yeah, it's 99. It's retailed for $99. Second generations we have already, 4K, but for $99 we minimized it, and that was the sweet point we wanted to get. We wanted this product to be available for everyone, anywhere, and anyone can fly it. I mean, it's affordable to anyone, and anyone can fly. You don't need to be a pilot. It flies itself. You see, I didn't do anything. I just pressed the button and it took off and it followed me.
And it's available now.
We started mass production now. It's going to be in the market in about 30-40 days.
Excellent. And the website where folks can go to pre-order or learn more.
We're a startup company. We're called SELFLY Camera. And we're cooperating with AE Technology. They're a drone manufacturer. But you could log into selfly.camera, not .com, .camera. That's the site. You'll get all the information there.
Great. Thank you so much. Very cool device. Thank you, sir.
Thank you
very much.
Thank you. I'm happy you liked it.
Folks, we'll have more from CES and ShowStoppers in Las Vegas. Thanks for watching. Visit MacVoices.com for show notes and to connect with Chuck on social media. Get involved in our MacVoices Facebook group and get more out of your Apple tech with MacVoices magazine, free on Flipboard. And if you find value in it all, consider supporting us at patreon.com/MacVoices and join these folks who help keep MacVoices coming to you. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com. Bandwidth provided by CashFly at cashfly.com.